ready to turn hesitant shoppers into eager buyers by spotlighting your free shipping offer. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to boost your Shopify sales, adding a free shipping icon that catches the eye. First things first, log into your Shopify admin from your dashboard. Hover over Online Store and click on Themes. Now, find your current active theme and click that Customize button to open up your theme editor. Once your theme is loaded, we need to find the right spot for our icon. Most themes have a dedicated section for adding announcements or promotional bars. Look for something like header, announcement bar, or top bar in the left-hand menu. Within that section, you'll usually find a text field. This is where we'll strategically place our free shipping indicator. In this text field, type out your free shipping message. You can be as clear as free shipping on all orders or get free shipping today. Now, to make it pop, we'll add a simple icon. You can find free shipping icons online. Just search for free shipping icon PNG and download a small, transparent one. Then, you'll paste that icon right into this text box alongside your message. After you've added your text and icon, make sure to hit that save button at the top right of your screen. And just like that, you've successfully added a compelling free shipping icon to your Shopify store, directly communicating this fantastic offer to your customers. Check it on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks perfect. This little addition can make a big difference in encouraging those impulse buys and building customer trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips to grow your business.